What is up everyone? In this video, we'll explore MyFitnessPal to track your food and goals. So let's get started. MyFitnessPal has this setup guide to create a profile with your calorie information. Pick your goals from here. Then tap Next to continue. On this screen, add your information to calculate the calorie data. Then is your height and weight. After this, you'll see the daily intake calorie goal. The premium plan has more options, but we'll just close it for now. We are in the dashboard. This is where you'll see your calorie data, macros, and other things. We also have the step, exercise, and weight information. The search bar lets you find and add food. Tap on it to begin. We have a few options. Search for the food you want to add. You'll see a list of items. We can quickly add stuff by tapping this plus button. As no meal is selected from the top, it will ask for the meal time. I had 2 cups of milk, so I'll add that as well. Now if you go back, you'll see the calorie consumption. This circle shows how much we have consumed and what is left for the day. We can see detailed insights here. Swipe left to see nutrition data, which includes protein, carbs, fiber, and sugar. Swipe left again to see macros. This is the diary tab to see and add your food data. We can see the added breakfast. Scroll down to see more meals. Tap lunch to add lunch data. Tapping the food item will get you to the details page. Here we can set the number of servings and serving size. Sometimes I don't find the serving size, so in that case I adjust the number of servings. You can use those 2 arrows to explore the history and future dates. Let's go to tomorrow. You clearly won't add the food data the day before, but this is just to show you the other features of the app. Let's add breakfast. The app shows our history and we can pick those with one tap. All we need to do is tap the plus icon. This is the My Meal section. Here we can add multiple items to make a custom meal. Give it a name and tap the plus icon to add food items. Save this meal by clicking the Save button. Now select it to quickly add your custom meal. Also, MyFitnessPal supports scanning barcodes. This feature is premium, but we get a few free scans. Just tap on it and scan the packet's barcode. The app will show the item name and other stuff. Just hit the check mark to add it. We'll talk about measuring our weight now. Tap the plus icon to add new weight data. We can add the past dates as well. As you keep adding, you'll see this chart building up. Tap in here will show the detailed information. MyFitnessPal also supports connecting to third-party apps to count your steps and exercise. From here, tap the top option and choose the program to connect. I'll connect to Google Fit because that app counts my steps. The process for adding each app is different, so if you have a different app, you'll need to connect both yourself. Once the app is connected, it takes some time for data to be synced. Let's add exercise in the meantime. Choose the workout type and search for the one to add. I'll type in badminton. Put in the total time and the app will adjust the calorie data. Now if you notice, you'll see the exercise calories on the main dashboard. This is what I like about MyFitnessPal, as it calculates data from every option and adjusts the overall stats. Anyway, we can add water data in the diary section. Scroll down and tap on the water. Then choose the drink size and save it. This newsfeed is to share your progress. However, you need to add friends to see their posts. For now, we just see the MyFitnessPal articles. We also have this plans tab to have food plans and challenges. Tap one to read more about it and what you will get. Every plan is for different needs and I'm pretty sure you'll find something to help you achieve your goals. This more is where we find other options. For some, we need third-party apps and some are in the premium plan. You can also tap your profile icon to see your goals and connect apps. We can adjust the goals and connect and disconnect apps from this screen. Anyway, we covered the important features of MyFitnessPal. You are ready to start adding and tracking your food. Thanks for watching. Take care.